going on? About to go camping with the gang. Just doing a last minute sweep around, see if I forget anything. Oh, a couple of those for sure. What up?
What is it?
Beautiful day out. Going camping, Abraham Lake. It's in Alberta. Yeah, so just getting packed. Fully loaded car. Boom. Oh yeah. I don't think this trunk could be any more full. Damn, that is a nice day. Is this thing on? Pull up.
Like, who wasn't necessarily meant to stay inside my mind, I might lose control now. Oh my god, guys, we really have a grandparents' car. This is tissue box. Got some Sudoku, music songs, great company. This is my one I'm doing. I'm just fixing Jimmy's mistake here.
Just a boy enjoying the sights. I thought, yeah, I thought he would have ran to the bush too, but you know, he's right behind the car.
He's like not phased. He's like,
Well, yeah, well we have, and that's a good cooler too to sit on, that red one.
yeah.
Boom.
We're at the beach.
Maybe you're better with left hand.
This whole time he didn't know he was left-handed. Going through the woods, trying to get some nice sticks for the fire. Oh yeah, I got a few ones there.
Let's go find some sticks.
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 Oh, sticks.
Edward stick.
Oh.
What is that beast?
Oh, fucking.
Beast.
Oh, shit.
Fuck.
What in the fuck?
I think that's a goat. Definitely a chicken.
Yep, that's a horse.
Close to a cow.
Yeah, that's... Oh, it's seen us. It's seen us. Run. What are we up to, Jimmy?
Grabbing some fucking ice for the SD. Cooler.
Cooler?
Yeah.
That's fine.
Down there?
Yeah.
Propane.
Bird clock, baby.
Yo, flaming hot Cheetos. Oh, you want some?
I wanted a tomato, but apparently not.
Oh. You didn't say anything.
Yeah, I got some here.
Boy, we need some red sauce on this shit, bro.
Okay. Is this spicy?
Oh,
yeah, tomato on your Cheetos.
You can have one.
Yes,
Oh
you
my
do.
god, all the vegetarian ones are here. Come on,
I'm trying to get you one.
You want more?
No, I'm good, thank you.
You want some?
Alright.
Oh yeah, go.
Okay.
How do you have grape and tomatoes? Canada, right?
Jimmy, what are you having?
Yeah, he wants a...
That G bars.
This one?
What? Tortilla.
Where's your tomato?
What do I reckon, guys?
Yeah.
10 out of 10 for sure.
That's fucking dope.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
If I see a pullover carrier though, I may have to throw up.
Perfect. Make sure I have a GoPro.
Just a heads up.
Give me a quick one. How did you sleep?
Oh yeah, it was great. Poured my Gatorade all over the bottom half of my sleeping bag, so half my sleeping bag was soaked. If you want to look at my toes, I got orange toes. Can't really see, but speaking of cheese toes, Jimmy's wants breakfast.
I've had my yearly quota on them.